Hello everyone, this is Vlada from Vlada's Place, and I want to share a quick tip for all of you who are anemic. Reason for this video is just to share my experience with switching the cooking ware to a cast iron. So as you can see, I'm even making eggplant parmesan in a cast iron, although iron and tomato sauce, they don't really go well together. But if you're gonna eat your eggplant parmesan and remove it once it's cooked, it's okay to use a cast iron. But bottom line is, since I switched to cast iron dishes, my iron levels are almost too high, which means that this really works. Obviously, this is not the only way to increase the iron in your blood, but it's definitely effective and inexpensive, and I think we all should get rid of the Teflon, and we should focus more on the dishes and cookware like this. So once again, this definitely works. It worked for me, and as I said, last time I had my blood work done, they said your iron is slightly elevated. So for all of you girls and boys with the cold feet and cold hands, go get yourself a cast iron dish and start cooking in it. Thank you for watching, and if you have other suggestions and ideas in regard to how to increase iron in the blood, share it below. That's all for today, and until the next video, please take good care of yourself and those around you.